Hi there, hospitality visionaries. Welcome back here to AI Hospitality Inside YouTube channel, where we dive into the future of hotels with the power of AI. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to explore how AI is about to revolutionize the hotel industry. Of course, if you already are a regular here, I also encourage you to make sure that you hit that like button. Today's topic, we are talking about something big. It is bold. It is disruptive. It is the AI agent revolution that is sweeping through hospitality today. And guess what? It's either adapt or die today. So stick around because in the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to position your hotel for success before it is too late. Now, let me share with you what is happening right now in the hospitality industry all over the world. Hotels are now installing AI powered maintenance systems in their hotels. And these are AI systems that helps them with predicting a potential HVAC issue or alerting the maintenance staff in advance if there's any type of problem coming up. Now, this is a huge help for hotels to eliminate a major concern in many hotels today. And not only is it helping with predictive maintenance, it is also helping the customer with adjusting the room temperature to the perfect temperature throughout the whole stay. No matter what the weather is outside, it will adjust to the weather and be fit for the customer. That, my friends, is the power of the predictive AI that we are now seeing coming to hotels. Now, have you ever stayed somewhere that felt like it just got you? Share your best hotel experience in the comment below, and if that was something you might believe was helped through AI predictive systems that the hotel had. Now, here, my friends, is a reality check today. Hotels that don't adapt now will soon find themselves irrelevant. As AI becomes more integrated, guest expectations are shifting dramatically. They want fast, frictionless, and flawless experience offers. The questions is, are you ready to deliver? Now, here is a bold prediction for hotels. In 5 years, the majority of successful hotels will have fully integrated AI agents. The competition is not between hotels anymore, it is between traditional and AI driven operations. Now, we have said this before that AI is not going to replace your employee. It is going to be replaced by another hotel or another business that understand and implement AI and utilize the power of AI in the right context. Now, my friends, what is your move here today? Don't just watch this video or my videos and walk away. Take action. Start small with an AI pilot project. One example can be an AI assistant chatbot like Velma from QuickText that helps you handle repetitive tasks, and then you can train your staff to work alongside AI. Or you can work with me and I will help you and your team with AI. And then, of course, measure the results both before AI and then during AI, and to start learning the difference. And most importantly, don't fear the change, lead it. If you're ready to jump into the future of hospitality, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, AI Hospitality Insight, and also make sure you hit that like button. Now, the most important part of this process is make sure that you share this video with your team and drop any comments below with your thoughts or questions, and we will address them in upcoming videos. The key here with AI, and this is something I emphasize, is to build a community, because AI is all about collaboration and innovations. So we will thrive together, not just surviving. And more than anything, I don't want to leave you here hanging. Uh, I'm going to give you a couple things for free here. First of all, I have a 60-minute AI consultation that I will give you for free. There will be a link in the description here where you can sign up for this, and there we can go to any question or concern or anything you want to learn about AI and how you can get started with an AI pilot project. There is also have a checklist there. As this is a 7-day action checklist to help you with boosting your direct bookings with the help of AI. And this doesn't even require any particular pilot project. The only part there that you have to use a tool like, for example, ChatGPT, which most hotels today is doing. But I want to use you to use it in a more effective and productive and constructive way for your hotel. We don't want any shadow AI on hotels, and shadow AI is we know there's people around at hotels today that is using AI actively, but it is not a part of the hotel strategy or plan or system, but they are still using it in a day-to-day operations. So this is important. But I want to thank you for watching it today. Remember, the AI revolution is here, and don't get left behind. Stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you all in the next video.